Hello, good morning. Today is April 9, 2013. Okay, good morning to everyone. So, ngayon, I'm teaching a simple and basic training on how to promote your organical business via Facebook. My name is Herbert Flores, your coach for today. And I'm so excited. Dumadami na yung mga downlines and mga coaches natin na sumasali sa ating grupo. So, congratulations sa inyong lahat. So, right now, yung ituturo ko sa inyo is more on how to enhance your Facebook profile na magmukha siyang blog or simple website na pwedeng mapansin ng mga prospect nyo. Okay? Una, yan, dahil yung Facebook ngayon is meron na siyang cover, yung timeline. Okay, you can design your timeline cover. So, ano ba yung size ng timeline cover? Okay, search natin. Ano ba yung timeline size? So, search natin sa Google, ang size ng isang image para sa inyong timeline cover is yung width niya is 815, then yung height is 315. 851 by 315. So ngayon kung yung picture nyo ay hindi siya ganito yung sukat niya, pwede kayong pumunta sa pixlr.com para siyang Adobe Photoshop na kung saan pwede nyong i-resize yung inyong picture cover. So, open lang kayo ng image from your computer. And then, mag-select lang kayo kung alin yung gusto nyong cover. So, halimbawa, ito or pili tayo ng iba. Okay, this one. So, ngayon, image, then image size. I-uncheck nyo yung constraint portrait. Yung width niya is 851. So, yung height is 315. So, yun yung size niya. And then, file save as. Okay? Baguhin yung file name niya. It's up to you. And save nyo siya kung saan nyo siya pwede gustong i-save. Your desktop muna para mas madali siyang tandaan. Okay? So, ganun lang po siya kadali. And then, click the change cover, upload the photo. Then, select mo kung saan mo siya sinave. Yung iyong picture. So, yun. Maganda rito, hindi mo na siya i-drag to position kasi naka-position na siya dahil yung size is okay na siya. Excuse. So, yun, ganun lang siya kadali. Okay, and then you can click your about. Kaya makikita mo dyan yung work and education mo. If you are an employee, pwede mong isulat dyan kung ano yung company mo. Or you can add, I'm a self-employed, okay? Mas maganda, it's up to you. You can, pwede nyo ilagay yung Oregano Gold, okay? Or you are a coffee endorser, business entrepreneur, it's up to you. Okay, pero ako ginamit ko sa generic para at least, kumbaga, you are generic, you are personalizing yourself, okay? Personal branding. Then about you can na information about you, can describe yourself. Okay? So, yan. It's up to you kung ano yung I'm helping other to earn extra income. That's it. You can put in, you can add. Pwede mo ilagay yung kung meron kayong Google Plus. and LinkedIn. Then, pwede mong i-post yung mga website. Okay? And then, basic info nyo, pwede nyo ilagay dyan. Siyempre, yung favorite quotes, kailangan, it's reflecting your personality. Okay? Kailangan mga passive thoughts. Okay? Passive quotes. So, iba tayo sa home. Okay, ang Facebook, yan. Every time click mo yung home, meron kang nakita ang updated na post. Kung sino bago na post na sa taas. So, pagtangin yung post. Yung may sarili na gawin nyo lang is, pwede nyo i-like yung mga post nyo or i-like na mga friends nyo. Pwede nyo i-post nyo. At least, lagi siyang nagtatap. Okay? And then, yan. Kung promoting you, kailangan you are giving the, kumbaga, call to action. Not just na kailangan ipakita nyo yung company name or kailangan magkaroon sila ng curiosity. Okay, so dito yung post ko kagabi is, how this coffee business so easy? Even an 8-year-old can do this business. So it's easy, it's simple, it's coffee. Then this video, then i-attach mo yung link plus kung meron kang feature, pwede mo i-attach yung picture. Okay? Like this one, you can upload picture. Okay. Or kailangan magkaroon sila ng curiosity. Okay, so dito yung post ko kagabi is, how this coffee business so easy? Even an 8-year-old can do this business. So it's easy, it's simple, it's coffee. Then this video, then i-attach mo yung link plus kung meron kang feature, pwede mo i-attach yung picture. Okay? Like this one, you can upload picture. Okay. Like coffee in the morning with my favorite latte. Okay? Or pwede natin ng mocha pala. You can search sa Google. Okay? Search sa'yo ng magandang picture na pwede nyo ilagay. Okay? So, it's up to you. Okay, basta at least meron silang nakikita about your product or mas maganda ikaw i-picture mo yung sarili mo. Yan, like okay, it's the mocha. So isa-save siya, right click, save image. Okay, then back to your post. Morning with my favorite mocha. I love it. Okay. So add ka lang ng picture. Hanapin mo yung picture. Okay. Then upload. And then post. So mga ibang tao ilalike na yan. So kapag ka nalike nila, pwede mo sila private message and magpa-thank you ka. Okay, ganun lang siya. Madaling gawin. Yung post. Okay, date, what's your status? So maganda rito, kailan every 4 hours or every day at least may post ka one in the morning, one in the afternoon, one in the evening. Okay, hindi din lahat is promotion. Depende kung mas marami naka-online. Okay, doon ka mag-post ng yung promo website kung nagkataon, kung ay sinaanto ka sa hapon, so you can post, you can express, oh, coffee break na. Okay, then you can put a picture na merong hawak na coffee, ayos yung antok mo. So, that's it. So, mga nag-i-inquire ng balik na system. Okay, tulad ng sample ko. Ayan, tulad dito, okay. Si Jenaline Caballero, okay. Ayun, na-post siya. Sabi ko, nice guy din, sabi ko, thanks, Jenaline. I hope you can join on my team. Tapos, yeah, I'm willing. Okay, let's get started now. So, after that, private message ko na lang siya at tinanong ko siya, so ano, nagustuhan mo ba yung business ko? Okay, so nandito, siguro expand ko natin. So, it's up to you how you can convince, how you can interact with them. So, minsan kasi, merong mga country na wala pang organo gold or talagang, ayun nga, dahil nga mahirap i-shift yung product. So, sabi niya, I will decide kapag umuwi na ako sa Philippines, then so, okay, sabi ko, just keep on at, kung baga, communicating to them, gustahan mo lang sila, follow up. Yan, the more na nagtitrending yung post, the more na napapansin yung post mo at nakatap siya. Okay. So, this one, ito, yung isang may former downline. So, palagi ko siyang pinapollow up, kumusta? Okay. Then yan, greet mo lang sila. So, syempre, in business, even in online, ganun paano mag-interact sa offline, ganun din sa online. Okay, so, kailangan malaman how to sort your prospect. Hindi agad-agad i-share mo yung business. So, ano yung kailangan mong i-apply sa Facebook? Syempre, una is, ito yan, tandaan mo lang yung form. Okay, first, know their status. So, palagi ko siyang pinapollow up, kumusta? Okay. Then yan, greet mo lang sila. So, syempre, in business, even in online, ganun paano mag-interact sa offline, ganun din sa online. Okay, so, kailangan malaman how to sort your prospect. Hindi agad-agad i-share mo yung business. So, ano yung kailangan mong i-apply sa Facebook? Syempre, una is, ito yan, tandaan mo lang yung form. Okay, first, know their status. Ano yung status ng family niya? Okay, ano pa? Yung occupation niya. Hello pare, kumusta na? Ano ba trabaho mo ba ngayon? So, ano yung recreation niya? Pare, ano ba pinagkakaabala mo ngayong wala kang trabaho, diba? Or ano ba yung hilig mong gawin? Ano ba yung pinagkakaabalahan mo? So, your message. So, halimbawa, may siyang trabaho. Hello pare, kumusta naman yung trabaho mo? Ito, okay naman, kaso kulang pa rin yung kinikita ko. Ganito, actually, I have a coffee business. I want to share it to you. But before that, may ilang maganda rito. This business, pwede mo siyang gawin part-time na hindi makakahadlang dyan sa trabaho mo. Gagawin mo lang naman siya kapag wala kang ginagawa sa office. Okay, but before that, I have 4 questions. Sabi mo, okay? 4 questions. Okay, apply the 4 simple questions. Una is, mahilig ka ba o may kilala ka ba nagkakape? Okay? Paminsan-minsan. Then, number 2, paano ka ba nagkakape? Black or with cream and sugar or choco or mocha. Then, number 3, ano ba yung favorite brand mo? Brand mong kape. Okay, then number 4, kailan ka pa pinadalhan ng cheque? Okay, sabihin mo kung ano yung company or anong brand mo. Kailan ka pa pinadalhan ng cheque? Halimbawa, ng Starbucks. Okay? Sa pag-inom mo ng kape. So, ngayon, then tapos na, okay, hindi pa pinayaran. Okay. I have a coffee na pwede kang bayaran. Pwede kang bayaran kapag ininom mo siya or i-share mo siya. Gusto mong malaman paano kindly watch my video. Then kindly watch my video. Here is my link. So ilagay nyo yung landing page nyo na merong video. Okay? So that's it. Then after you watch give me a feedback. Then, para mabigyan kita ng give me a feedback. Or mas maganda, magkita kayo then you can give them a sample or hingan mo sila ng address. Okay, padala mo sila ng sample. Mas maganda, bigyan mo rin sila ng DVD. Okay, para mapanood nila sa bahay nila yung presentation. So, that's it. Give them a free sample. Free sample plus DVD. Okay. Then, add na lang sila ng shipping cost. Okay. Mga 90 pesos lang naman. For JRS. Or kung kakilala mo naman, pwede mo naman libre yung shipping. So, gano'n lang siya. After nila na-receive yung coffee, okay, tell them 2 questions. Syempre, sabi mo, ito po is binili ko siya, gumastos ako. So, right now, kailangan ko lang po is 2 follow-up question. Okay? After they drink the coffee. So, yung first question, what is the taste? So, how do you feel? So, yun din. Tell them kung interested sila, yun, then you can, pwede mong ibigay uli yung website mo, how to become a distributor, okay, yung presentation, pwede nyo i-share yung video ko. So, ganun lang po siya simple promote. So, yun. Okay, and then dito naman sa group natin, nakita nyo naman dyan, nandiyan mga files, mga scripts, you can download them para nyo siya. Okay. Optional dun sa inaano ko, at least you need to add, okay, note, limitation lang, you can add 10 friends a day only, hindi kayo maband, okay? And then private message sa mga strangers. Ayan, may limitation lang. So, halimbawa, lahat na ng friends mo na-share mo na siya ng na yung ads, okay, you can go to mga Starbucks, yung mga fan page, mga business. So, dito pwede kang friends a day only, hindi kayo maband, okay? And then private message sa mga strangers. Ayan, may limitation lang. So, halimbawa, lahat na ng friends mo na-share mo na siya ng yung ads, okay, you can go to mga Starbucks, yung mga fan page, mga business. So, dito pwede kang, ayan, pwede mong i-like, pwede mo silang i-add as your new friend. So, tulad ito, sabi niya, frankly, I would rather work as a barista at Starbucks than with any government agency. Okay, sabi niya, sharing with an article Philippine Sir visit of Howard. Okay, may mga comments sila. Yung sabi, I need a job, please help me. So, this is your opportunity to share yung business, pero wag agad-agad present yung business. So, kaibigan siya. Okay. Hello, Virgie. Hello, Virgie. Okay. I'm Herbert. I saw your post. I saw your comment at Starbucks page, and you are looking for a job. I think I can help you. I'm involved on a coffee business, and now we have a big project, okay, bigger than Starbucks. Our mission is to capture 1% of coffee drinkers. If you're interested, you can call me. call me at then confirm my friendship, or we can connect. Thanks. Okay, lagi merong smiley. Okay, para may tanong masayahin ka. Oo. Wag yung kasi dito is more on words lang. So, kapag ka meron siyang smiley, doon nila makikita yung emotion mo. Okay? So, lang. Ano sila? Ito pa tulad nito. Ano yung mga comment nila? So, sabi niya, I would rather work as a barista. So, you can tell them you have a coffee business. Hi, Dimple. My name is Herbert. Okay? And I saw your post at Starbucks Page. Can we connect? Thanks. So, ganun lang. Pagkaibigan ka, then PM them and add. Siyempre, sabi nga, 10 lang yung pwede nyo i-add. So, kapag kaya na nila, kaya nyo post mo sa kanilang wall. Okay, tulad dito, papakita ko lang yung mga bagong nag-add sa akin. So, yan. Halimbawa, ito kaibigan ko na siya, si Francis. Hello, Kiko. Thanks for connecting. Kape muna tayo. Try mo naman yung business. So, yung kakilala mo sa share, automatically your business. Pero huwag muna mag-shift. Magkakilala na yung ginagawa ko. I'm on a network marketing business. So, So that's it. Sana may napuli kayo. Just a simple way how to promote the business. It's so easy, simple. It's coffee. Then you can use yung mga landing page na nabawa sa inyo. Okay, ganun lang po siya. Thank you very much. I hope na may matutuan. Just call me kapag may mga question po kayo. Thank you very much and God bless.